Everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel, and Trimel is here in the background today as well, and we are visiting Miss Janet. All right, so please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, so let's journey down to Miss Janet right now.
Down to Miss Janet we go.
Yeah. So we were trying to get her this morning, and unfortunately we did not get her, but we got to our friend, so we don't know if she's expecting us, if we got around to telling her that we are coming, but we'll see.
But she did it.
I suppose she is.
She did it.
Oh, you know.
She did it. Well, this one, please. And thanks. Coconut tree, them look like they get shake up.
Yeah. They look unhealthy.
See?
It's from the hurricane.
No hurricane no blow down here.
What do you mean?
Which part? If hurricane they blow, the coconut tree them mash up. Well, I mean Melissa. She never walk here, so.
Normally when we coming down here, for some reason it rains, so it always wet, but weather nice today.
Yeah.
Nice and sunny.
They come Friday, that wet up. Down here, that wet up wet.
Hopefully rain Friday, yeah. You see? Yeah. Oh.
You see material down there, man, sun.
Yeah.
I see smoke. Like she a cook for we.
So we do a call from up here, so?
No? You see a place. So we don't fit up a road and call, we go down.
Oh, really? Okay.
Right, that's alright, a new house where I go.
Okay, so we're heading down.
Why don't you carry sand, make you will sand up so?
I'm not sure. Maybe I did.
I shuffle then you scare down here? Triple. Them a plant cane. Janet.
Watch out.
What's cooking? She said nothing cooking, so I say I want to name so. Should we do the place though?
Yeah.
Come at me video yo. See you there on camera.
Hi, Miss Janet.
Good morning. Wanna pull up your hair?
Yeah, pull up.
And yeah, did they?
Yeah.
I'll let you go up on the town and see people would pull up here.
Hi, how are you?
Morning.
We are calling man, but we not get through to you at all. Wow.
I'm not seeing a missed call.
You not see none? Straight voicemail early this morning.
When I first see him, my son look for and I say, somebody was calling. I'm for that number.
5124055.
No, that number ain't with one. I think of that number.
Oh, it's a different number. It was us.
Oh, your personal number?
Yeah.
Well,
I can't look for you.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Can't see, we not see nothing happen.
Well, we got some of the materials.
Okay.
When you pass, so you see some grit and a little sand that is left.
Oh.
So, and some of the materials are over by the neighbor's house, Mr. Nelson's house. Because we don't have anywhere to keep those the cement and the steel and the, some of the lots. So we have somewhere to get that. The block, the zinc nail,
Okay.
And the rest of plyboards.
Yes. Oh, sounds good. Things are moving along,
Yes,
man. Hi,
from
good
last-
morning.
That's Mama.
Not too bad, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
so I am now waiting for the rest of the materials.
Okay, okay.
So I can ask you a question.
Yeah, sure.
Why you use cash and come down here, sir?
My cousin, we paid him to carry
Why
the
you
sand.
use?
Barrow. Barrow.
Oh,
Oh, come here, say how so much sand scatter in a
Yeah, it's a barrow.
yeah.
We have to
maybe
come down the hill
be
with
bumpy.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so that sounds good, Miss Janet.
Yes.
So the next time we come, we probably see the house, you know.
Yes, hopefully.
In progress.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when you dig the foundation?
Well, we are waiting on the contractor and the
Oh, they
other
will come
worker.
back on-
Oh, they're
Yes.
gonna come and do it for you.
Yeah, they did send a message, but they said they may come, but from this hours now, I don't see them. Maybe
they
next.
may
We don't
come
know.
today.
Yeah, they are busy.
Yes.
They are very busy.
Me?
Mid-month or...
No, they said. No, you say I may come tomorrow.
Okay,
That you're not sure. So, but hopefully, I know that they will come.
Okay, okay. Well, that's awesome because you can see that the material is in, so it's just for them to come and start the work now.
Yes.
So that's wonderful. So how are things otherwise though?
Well, things are not so bad, you know.
Yes,
We have life, which is the greatest.
yes, absolutely.
Though there are still some lingering problems. You can't get rid of problems.
Yeah,
You can't solve them, you just leave them to God. Yeah.
yeah.
But apart from that, things are okay.
Good. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we're happy to hear that. Not true, Marcel?
Yes, man. Look like me happy, me a laugh. But not.
Ain't happy.
Yes, but always
Ain't happy. All right. So Miss Janet, one of the reasons why we're here too this morning, we have a donor from the US who has sent donation for you.
Okay.
Right. So we are here also delivering the donation.
Okay.
Yes.
Look,
Yeah,
you have some people that love to spread rumor. Yeah.
No, we do that
Because
afterwards.
what if a rumor them used to spread about YouTuber come and if we don't get money. Well, we not gonna have the material and then something like that, they know our business.
Not pay them no, man, Miss Johnny.
They just love to chat.
Yeah, not pay
So hold
them.
on, they must say how you not got other material. So
Yeah. And we must get money.
they other so they might help you.
No? They just love to spread rumor.
Yeah, so we're not gonna worry about that. Yeah. But you know, we want to say thanks to the donor. God bless you richly. It's not the first time that this donor is donating to the work that we do. So we thank you very much, and we pray that God will continually bless you, and your store basket may never be empty. All right.
Yeah, I say thanks to all the donors who have donated. Yeah. And I hope that they will continue to do what they are doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
So when they say I'm moving,
I don't know yet. I can't say.
May.
I cannot
Say
say.
May.
I can't say yet. I can't say when I will move in.
Once it starts, we finish.
Yes.
Yeah. So, all right, Miss Janet. So that is it. We're happy to have come, although the visit is not long. But you know, we're happy to come and see that you're making some progress. So
Yeah.
you know, by God's grace, the next time we come, we'll see. You know, the house.
building,
Yeah, the
yes.
building. Hopefully.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we are said the next car's supposed to come back later or tomorrow.
We're not gonna come back so quick. We'll give our time.
She asked you for time?
We'll give our time.
She not ask you time, so you come when you want. Not sure.
So what you want to come back so quick?
Not true, Miss Janet. We have to
You have
be.
to wait until when-
Exactly.
Not true.
All right, so just want to say once again, thanks to everyone. Thank you so much for your continued support. Want to thank all the persons who have donated since we have started visiting Miss Janet, you know, towards our project or to food or whatever it is that you have donated to, you know, we are thankful to you, and we pray that, you know, God's blessing will always be with you. All right, so until next time, we thank you so much for always making it and Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. What you say, Miss Janet?
Well, I also want to say thanks to the MP, caretaker, and the councillor as well.
Okay.
Yes, for being part of this housing project.
All right.
Many thanks to them. To everybody, a big thank you.
Okay. All right.